Agusan. Let's go! Hello, Agusan! I don't mind letting you down easy, just give it time. If it don't hurt now, then just wait a while. Another big fish in the pond, no more. You were with defeated lot, so what are you gonna do when the world don't up it around you? Let's go. So what are you gonna do when the world don't up it around you? Ain't it fun? Living in the new world. Come on! Ain't it good? Being all alone. Where you from? You might be the one who's running things. Wiggling anybody's begging what you want. It's easy to ignore trouble when you're living in a bubble. So what are you gonna do when the world don't up it around you? Hey. So what are you gonna do when nobody wants to fool with you? Ain't it fun? You're on your own in the real world. Don't go crying to your mama, 'cause you're on your own in the real world. Don't go crying to your mama, 'cause you're on your own in the real world. Don't go crying to your mama, 'cause you're on your own. Living now, you're Magandang umaga po. Agusan del Norte. Maraming salamat po sa paghihintay. Medyo mainit, ano? bago mabuksan. Inom muna ako ng tubig. May tanong ako sa inyo. Ay, ang cute ng aso. Hello. Hello. Ha, nakisama siya sa atin. Hello. May-ari po ba nito? Hello, ang cute mo naman. Anyway po, ito po yung tanong ko sa inyo. Sino po ba dito yung nagmamahal kay Opa J? Parang ang hina. Sino po yung nagmamahal kay Opa J? You know? Sino naman po ang nagmamahal kay Don Romeo? Uy. Sino naman po ang nagmamahal kay Oyus the Mysterious? Ngayon naman po, last but not the least, sino pong nagmamahal kay Sir John?
Nung pinakilala mo si Romeo, parang tunog demonyo yun. Sino nagmamahal kay demonyo? Don Romeo pala.
Takpan mo yung bibig mo.
Hoy, Jake, huwag kang ano.
Sino po nanonood ng GG Vibes?
Woo!
Maraming salamat po. Alam niyo, nakakatuwa kasi nagiging normal na ulit yung lahat. Nakakapag ganito na tayo. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam. Nakikita ko ang mga gwapo at nagagandahan niyo pong mukha. Ang sarap sa feeling na makapag-live ulit ng ganito. Seryoso na po. Sino dito ang nagmamahal? Parang walang nagmamahal. Ano ko, heartbroken lahat?
Mga sawi.
Sino dito ang ginost?
Aray!
Ay.
Aray ko po. Ay,
Sino dito yung pinaghihintay?
Nako.
Nako, ako.
Sino dito yung pinapaasa hanggang ngayon?
Nako.
Ako. Tayo dyan.
Ako rin yan.
Sino dito yung paasa?
Ay, hindi ako yan.
Ah, hindi.
Walang ganon dito. Ay, may tumutulong. Siya po ba?
Naku, bata.
Ang init.
Sanay na ako masaktan eh.
Wow.
Ito pong outfit ko, pinaghandaan ko talaga para sa inyo. Anyway, para po ito sa nagmahal at naghihintay hanggang ngayon. Yung hindi mo alam kung ano yung gagawin mo. Kung itutuloy mo ba or ititigil mo na. Kaso kasi mahal mo.
Sakit naman yan.
Minsan oo, minsan hindi. Minsan tama, minsan mali. Maabante, umatas. Kilos mong namimintas. Kung tunay na ang pag-ibig mo, kaya mo pa isigaw, iparating sa mundo. Tumingin sa akin. Kung maging tayo, sa'yo lang ang puso ko. Walang ibang tatanggapin. Ikaw pa rin. May kulong pa sa'yong isipan. Di tugmasa nararamdaman kung tunay na ang pag-ibig mo. Tumingin sa aking mata, magdapat ng nadarama. Di gusto ika'y mawala, dahil handa kong ibigin ka. Kung maging tayo, kailangan ba kitang iwasan? Sa tuwing lalapit may paalam, ibang anyo sa karamihan. Iba rin pag tayo, iba rin pag tayo lang. Tumingin sa aking mata, magtapat ng gustong ika'y mawala, dahil handa kong ibigin ka. Kung maging tayo, kung maging tayo, kung maging tayo. Sa'yo lang ang puso ko. Thank you. Alam nyo, kwento ko lang sobrang sarap ng pagkain dito sa Mindanao. Kanina po, galing po kami kila Governor Dale. Ang sarap po ng pagkain. Hanggang ngayon, nalalasahan ko pa din po, Gov.
Hindi malata eh na.
Ha?
Kahapon payat ako eh.
Ngayon,
Tignan mo.
dadagdagan.
May abs na.
I love you too. Mahal na mahal po namin kayong lahat ng GG Vibes. Ito pong susunod na kanta namin. Actually, minadali po ito eh. Kamusta, John?
Kinakabahan po.
Anyway, ito pong next song namin. Lahat po kami may gusto nitong kantang to. Iba-iba po siya. Ang tawag po dito, may idea po kayo yung iba-ibang kanta sa isang minuto. Ang tawag po dito ay, hindi ko din po alam. De joke lang. Ang tawag po dito ay medley. Kaka-memorize ko lang po nito kanina. Tsaka po kahapon. Sana po hindi ko makalimutan yung lyrics. Pero napakaganda po ng mga kantang ito. Kapag alam niyo po yung song na to, pwedeng-pwede po kayong sumabay. Huwag kayong maiiyak. Kahit lakasan niyo pa, isigaw niyo! I've been lonely, I've been waiting for you, I'm pretending, and that's all I can do. The love I'm sending ain't making it through to the top, and that's something that you forgot. What about love? Don't you want someone to care about you? What about love? Don't let it slip away. What about love? I only wanna share it with you. What about love? Love. What about? Always somewhere, miss you where I've been. Come on. I'll be back to love you again. Always somewhere, miss you where I've been. I'll be back to love you again. Let's go, Ayers! Come on! She's gone out of my life. I was wrong. I'm to blame. I was so untrue. Forgive me. Won't you save me? My heart belongs to you. Lady, can't you forget me for all I've done to you? Lady, I won't do anything for love, anything you've been dreaming of, and I just won't do. I'll do anything for love, anything you've been dreaming of, and I just won't do. And some days I pray for silence, and some days I pray for soul. Some days I just pray to God of sex and drums, of rock and roll. And maybe I'm lonely, that's what I'm qualified to be. It's just one and only promise I can keep. As long as the wheels are turning, as long as the fires are burning, as long as the prayers are coming true, you better believe it, and I will do anything for love. You know it's true and that's a fact. Let's go, Agusha. She's got a smile that it seems to me reminds me of childhood memories where everything was as fresh as the bright blue sky. Now and then when I see his face, she takes me away to that special place. And if I stay out too long, I'll probably break down and cry. Oh, sweet child of mine. Oh, sweet love of mine. Oh, sweet child of mine. Sweet love of mine. Let's go! Where do we go? Where do we go now? Sweet child of mine. Our next song is our next song. And this next song,
Is our...
next song. Gising pa ba kayo? This song went viral. And isa din to sa pinakahirap na hirap ako na challenge na binigay po sa akin ng GG Vibes. And I would like to acknowledge, napapaano ko eh. We would like to thank Governor Dale B. Corvera. Thank you so much, Gov. And his lovely wife, Ma'am Nancy Corvera.
Daghang salamat.
And of course, Congresswoman Maria Angelica. Tama po ba ako, Maria? Maria Angelica Rosdel Amante Matpa. And our City Mayor, Judy Chin Amante. And our Vice Mayor, Ray Jamboy. Maraming salamat po sa pag-invite po sa amin. Thank you so much. Meron lang akong request sa inyo sana. Can you turn on your flashlights sa phone niyo po? Yun lang po. Request ko lang po tonight. Thank you. Hintayin ko po kayo mag-on. Thank you so much. JJ pa video sila. We love you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Sige po, wag po kayo mahiyang mag-on ng flashlight. Thank you. Thank you so much. Let's go. Thank you. Isa lamang at wala nang iba pa. Iaalay buong buhay. Lumigaya ka lang, lahat ay gagawin. Tumingin ka man sa iba, magwawalang kibo na lang itong puso ko. Walang sumbat na maririnig, patak ng luha ko ang iniwang saksi. Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Kahit di pinapansin ang damdamin ko, di mo man ako mahal, eto pa rin ako nagmamahal ng tapat sa'yo. Bakit nga ba mahal? Baliw na baliw ako sa'yo, hanggang kailan ako magtitiis? O bakit nga ba mahal kita? Ano man ang sabihin nila, pagtingin ko sa'yo'y di kailanman magmamaliw. Buong buhay paglilingkuran kita, di naghahangad ng anumang kapalit. Tumingin ka man sa iba, magwawalang kibo na lang itong puso ko. Walang sumbat na maririnig, patak ng luha ko ang iniwang saksi. Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Kahit di pinapansin ang damdamin ko, di mo man ako mahal, eto pa rin ako nagmamahal ng tapat sa'yo. Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Kahit na may mahal ka mang iba, pagpaliw na baliw ako sa'yo, hanggang kailan ako magtitiis? O bakit nga ba mahal kita? Bakit nga I think you know this song. Let's go! Hey! Do you ever feel, you know the song? Drifting through the wind, wanting to start again. Do you ever feel like your eyes are closed and you're breathing in? Do you ever feel already buried deep? 6 feet on the screens, but no one seems to hear a thing. Do you know that there's still a chance for you? 'Cause there's a spark in you. You just gotta ignite.